DISC is all about understanding behavioral styles. These are direct to the point, and some people would call them rude, but they're not rude. They're just results focused and solutions focused. High I's, chatty, friendly. A famous D would be maybe a Donald Trump, if you wanted to think of people in limelight, so we can kind of think of these people. A high I would be like a Carl Stefanovic on Channel 9, cheeky, always a little bit in trouble, a little bit charismatic, very funny, not too worried about detail. D's just want control. I's want to have a laugh and have fun, and also to get recognition. S's are steady. A Keanu Reeves, they joke about Keanu Reeves. You can never tell he's acting because when he's happy and sad, his face looks the same. They're non-emotional, so you can't read them. They're scared of risk, and they're the ones, S's are going to be the ones that go, I need to think about it. I want to talk to my partner. They're scared to make a decision. And high C's love attention to detail. High C's work in jobs in science, engineering, okay? So when you come across a high C, you're probably going to think, you know what, this is going to be potentially a 2-visit sale.